guys, welcome to Tutorial Tuesday, which is being redone. Today is going to be more like Tag Along Tuesday, since we're at Arches National Park and I didn't have anything lined up because I'm a horrible YouTuber. So we're doing Tag Along Tuesday. It's going to be more of a vlog, but I will walk you guys through some things that I'm doing. I don't know if you can see that right now, but we have some seriously epic cloud conditions at Arches National Park, and we got about 45 minutes to get this light and find an epic spot for sunset. So we're gonna get hiking, and I'm gonna take you guys along. So welcome to Arches National Park.
I'm gonna use the drift method. Freaking incredible. Round F16 for that to get that sunburst.
All right, found our first spot. We're in the clouds right now. This is, I don't even know what part this is, but it's amazing. We just passed Balancing Rock, and we're gonna hopefully get some time lapses of these clouds moving past us. I'm gonna set up a couple different cameras and walk you guys through my settings, and we're gonna get the clouds passing by, and then hopefully the light's gonna kick off for sunset here in a few minutes. I'm seeing patches over that way behind the camera. I'm seeing patches of light that way, and then hopefully some of this stuff will light up. If not, we're still gonna get some epic cloud stuff happening. It's also hat time. Yeah. All right, well, conditions kind of changed on us a little bit. I set up my time lapse, but we just got pounded by all these crazy clouds. Also, I was doing a time lapse on the 1D, but my phone decided to not let the Pulse app open for some strange reasons. Never happened before. But anyway, so I switched to the 5D4 on the time lapse, and you can't see it over here, but there's a bunch more rock faces like that one. So what I did is I put the 14mm on, so it's super wide and it's going to capture all that. If this cloud ever clears up, there's going to be some really nice depth in there, so that's what I was kind of going for, because there's depth at foreground, middle ground, and infinity all the way back there. So if the cloud clears up, it's going to be a really great composition. If it doesn't, it's going to be a semi-okay composition that I probably won't do anything with other than put in the vlog. But for the settings, I've got 60th of a second shutter, 250 ISO, F11. The Rokinon 14 is fully manual, so I've got that set on F11, and it's just shooting. All right, on a side note, our time-lapse dreams might be crushed right now, but the one good thing we have going for us is we have all this great red rock, and even though there's clouds, we have some stuff poking through. So what we might gonna do is switch tactics and go for stills, and maybe some video footage that I do for stock video. But for the stills, what I'm thinking is both Mike and I have really bright color jackets. I've got this blue, Mike's got that beautiful red. So what I might do is I have a flash. I might set up an off-camera flash and light up some stuff and do some more adventure type shoots with, you know, some epic looking jackets against this background with the crazy clouds and all of that stuff. So if that works out, I think that might be the tactic we're switching to because of this crazy fog. So let's give that a go, and if I get anything good, that'll be the next thing you see. Well, if nothing else, this place is amazing, just even to explore. So if I don't get any images, which I know I already got a few, and I'm really out of breath because I need to exercise more, but this is a great place to do that. I mean, seriously, you see this? This is like, I've been to Arches quite a few times, and I've never seen clouds like this. So even just playing around in the clouds, good enough for me. All right, so I found this really cool composition that I think is really gonna pop. So I'm gonna get Mike in here with his big beautiful red jacket. I may put on my jacket. I may have him put on my jacket, we'll see. But it's this big U looking thing, and I'm gonna stick him right in the middle of it, and there's this really cool tree here. And I may or may not light it up. I don't think I'll have to light it up. I think just Photoshop will be just fine, and just the natural light. So let's see what that looks like. All right, just check the time lapse. It's a little flat, kind of a bust, but check this out. I used the reflection and Mike standing there and just a little bit of this guy, and I think that is super cool. So it's all about finding stuff, the little things, leading lines. Like this here, I got a perfect leading line going right up to him in the center of this thing. And I love stuff like that. It just points you straight to your subject, and that's the kind of things I'm looking for out here. He's got that nice bright red jacket, which pops. He's got that nice V around him, which just points right down to him. And standing next to a little green bush, and all those elements just pushes your eyes right to where you want them to go. And so that's the kind of stuff I'm looking for out here, because you just have to really think outside the box when you have crazy conditions like this. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I just can't control myself. We're very easily amused. These are the kind of things that we do when there's crazy clouds and water reflections. Okay, so we made it to double arch. It's right there, and this cloud cover is looking really cool, so I'm gonna try to shoot some stuff. I'm gonna put Mike with his beautiful red jacket in there again. I'm also gonna be using this really awesome tree as a foreground interest. And I might have to focus stack, but I think we're gonna come away with some really cool shots here because of this crazy cloud. So let's see what happens. All right, well, that was double arch. I think I'm gonna call this an episode. It's raining. I'm really, really hungry now. All that hiking worked up an appetite. I don't see, Brittany's not here to say, shut up. The lady behind the camera is not here to keep me from rambling. So, and Mike's doing an epic job of failing to keep me from rambling. So I'm gonna call this an episode. It's raining, it's dark. I don't think I'm gonna go out. Even if we do go out, I'm not gonna have time because I'm gonna edit this tonight and then get it posted for tomorrow. By the time you're watching this, it'll be Tuesday. So if I do get any nighttime shots though, check my Instagram, @LightbendersVisuals. The link's in the description. You can check that. But I think it's too cloudy. So I'm gonna end this. We're gonna go back to the hotel, go get some dinner in Moab. And sorry about this not being a tutorial Tuesday. But I think I got an epic vlog out of it, so I'm pretty stoked. I hope you guys liked it. If you like this stuff, you want to see more of it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.